Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Houseplantpixie. For everyone that's new to my channel, my name is Monique and thank you so much for all my existing subscribers for tuning back in. Yesterday, I don't know when, my beloved variegated bamboo fell off the top shelf and I was actually just going to quickly pot it back up and put it back on the shelf, but I thought it's a perfect opportunity to show you this beautiful plant. I had it for quite some time and it was one of those plants that you buy. They're all like braided and then they have the golden bits around it. Let me see if I'll find a picture, but you might know what I mean. They do that with bamboo and it's horrible, and it's the first thing I did. I untangled it. The reason it fell off the shelf, it got really dry. I know, right? It's still looking good. I had it soaking in water overnight. So basically the only thing that's holding it is that that's the tomato stake. But we pulled it out and there's little bits like this and dry bits. I might be able to just pull that. You will see in a minute. I'm gonna divide it, and I thought it'll be a really interesting video for you to watch. So as you know, nursery pot, decorative pot. Decorative pot has no hole in it, so if there's a little bit of water sitting in the bottom, not a problem. The whole thing fell because it got too dry. I've forgotten it. So this looks brutal now, and I'm not actually pulling on the plant. I'm pulling this stake out. And there we go. Here's the plant. It's really wet because I soaked it in water. It was super dry. I do like soft ties. Then keep in mind with the soft ties, if you do have mealybugs or a pest, you can't reuse them because chuck them out. If you have the plastic ones, you can probably wipe them. So let's have a look what's going on here. I hope you can see. This is for kids to play, a tough tray, perfect for repotting. Because I was going to just quickly do this in the shed, but I thought perfect to, and there you go here. I'll just lay that down and pull this apart. I do have scissors because with those little, I'm not sure if you can see this, stringy roots, they're normal scissors, it's better to use normal scissors for cutting it. And I'm cutting out all these really squishy, dry bits that can go. That looks fine. There's another one here. And then just have a bit of a feel without disturbing the roots too much. See that here is still intact, and I can't see any more. So there were a few stems that I just chopped on the bottom, which I just taken out. This was these couple. And then, yeah, it was due to clean up anyway, so perfect. There's another one here, put that away. And then in my nursery pot, which got the holes, to stop the soil falling through, I use paper towel. Just, you know, put the pot on it, draw around it, cut it to size, place it in your pot. Perfect. So then when you place it, see how this would be too low, so you want it somewhere like that. So I need to add a tiny bit more soil. I was going to wear gloves, they're here, but I'll be quicker without them. I need to find a little bit of a better setup when I pot up things. still a bit more. Actually, let's do. If you see like black smoke, or that's the horticultural charcoal I just mixed in. See that in the pot, black stuff. It's very, very good to prevent fungal. It's not that you will completely avoid it, but it's a very good preventative. And then if you don't overwater. So at the same time, have a look that I rearrange these guys here. I want that to come around a bit. And then, yep, I'm happy with that. Then you just backfill it, and then by tapping you fill in the air pockets. It's super pretty. I don't come across a variegated bamboo very often. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen one or if you have one. I got one other bamboo, which is probably 6 or 7 years old, and it just loves the spot I have it in. And before that, I think every single bamboo I had, I successfully killed. So, and because I gave the root ball a really, really good soak overnight, I will wait to water this for another few days, maybe 5, and then I'll give it a bit of water. Just fill that up nicely. For everyone that's new and hasn't, with the soil, the white is the perlite, then I have orchard barks in there, horticultural charcoal, and premium potting mix. I just love that potting mixture. It has been amazing for all my plants, and I'm just going to put this right in the middle. Looks quite nice. See how that one, it's grown towards the light, and yeah, this is a really bad setup. Let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, give it a like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay planty. Bye!